Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY, US dollar Japanese yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analyst playlist for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USD JPY in front of us right now, and as we all know that USD JPY had a huge up run a couple of days ago, and right now you can see that market is trading at 114.07. This is the current market price here. So there are certain things on the chart of the USD JPY that you need to understand. It may sound complicated, so please watch the video carefully. Okay, so first of all, after this huge up run, when market consolidated, okay, it took support at the Fibonacci 23.6% retracement and tried to bounce. You can clearly see that market did bounce from this particular level, and if you have watched my previous videos on USD JPY where I clearly mentioned that there's a good possibility of market bouncing from 23.6% level, probably you also made some money out of it. Okay, so right now we can see that this level is still a support for the market. Which level? 113.40. Not only because of the Fibonacci retracement level, but rather this level is also a kind of a minor support for the market. You can see that market has been testing this level or taking support at this level. Okay, therefore 113.40 is a support for the market, minor support. Apart from this minor support, we also have a trend line coming from the bottom acting as a support for the market. You can clearly see that whenever market was coming down, it was taking support at the trend line and bouncing. And so this is our second support. Clear? And apart from these two support levels, we also have a right now support at 113.95 to 114 level. Previously this level was the kind of support here. Okay, and again market is trying to take support here. This is not a very much good support, okay, like this level or the trend line, but still market is trying to take a support here. If you want to avoid this line, you can avoid the line totally. Okay, so if we just consider the chart of USD JPY right now, then we can see that we have got two support here. Okay, first of all, we have a support at the trend line and as well as this level. So therefore, considering the overall trend of the market, I think that we have two trading opportunities here, because the overall trend of the market is still towards the upside, and that we cannot deny at all. And as we all know, the thumb rule of the market is follow the trend. It means that if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is a downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. So considering the trend of the market, okay, I think that you can go for buy at the trend line if market bounces. Okay, you can go for buy at the trend line if market bounces. That is your first trading opportunity. It would be around 114 level. It would be around 114 level. And on the other hand, if you find that market breaks the trend line, okay, if market breaks the trend line, then also do not short the market. Okay, do not short the market, because there is a possibility of market reversing again, and if that happens, you will be in loss, you will be trapped. Therefore only go for buy if market bounces from the trend line. And on the other hand, if market breaks the trend line, then wait for the market to come down to the level of 113.40. So as this is a minor support, so there is a good possibility of market bouncing from this level again. And if market bounces from 113.40 level, that will be your second trading opportunity. So these two are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of USD JPY right now. So hopefully I've understood. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.